guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Hardway Performance. So we're here, the doctor is in, we're working on the drag truck, trying to figure out what's going on, why it runs so rough, just figure out if there's something stupid, what exactly is going on with it. We've already flashed stock file in it once, then we had to scale it for the splitter harness, so we're just kind of starting back from basics and going from there, seeing what is wrong with it. We're currently flashing the truck over to put a stock file in it, just so it'll run, and just see if we can figure out what's going on with it, what is making this thing unhappy. There's nothing visually that we have figured out so far, but we're just kind of starting back from basics to check shit out and just try and get this thing so it's happy and purring again, because it definitely should not be sounding like a 12 valve. Now there is definitely some cool stuff here in the shop at Hardway. Ryan's car is here, which is probably going to be the next big bad thing in diesel. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. The welds on the cage are phenomenal. I mean, this thing is, yeah, if you guys remember his green car, this is going to be better than that. This is, you know, purpose built for what he's doing. The green car was built kind of for a different purpose and he repurposed it, but this thing is going to be 275X. It's going to be one bad unit, probably going to be the baddest diesel car on the planet. Got his turbo 400 sitting here filled with all kinds of goodies from Suncoast. Just, this is going to be one bad unit. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Just wow, everything is perfect. It just looks fantastic. And yeah, big old single on there, nice 6-cylinder Cummins block, but yeah, looking good. But hopefully we get this thing all sorted out, get her on the dyno, see what she can make for power. Now he was telling me that with the big single we might not hit that 2,000 horsepower mark we want. Like his green car would always put down like say 1,600 or 1,400, even though when you look at the data at the track, what it was running, the car was making well over 2,000 horsepower. So really, to dyno the truck today, we're not going for that horsepower number so much as getting the thing running right, getting our nitrous dialed in and all that, so we can hopefully take this thing to Emerald Coast later in the week and make some reps. So I'm excited. Hopefully we get this thing running right. Well, we're going to get it running right, and hopefully we get it on the dyno and make some power today. Well, it sounds cool. Yeah. Sounds a hell of a lot better.
I think we earned ourselves a bunch.
Well, Ryan, can you tell everybody what exactly we did, or you did, to get it running, what the problem was?
Basically took everything that we already had done and threw it in the trash and started over. So, started with a stock file, set it up for the dual injection pumps, turn the post injection off. So this is just a completely stock file that we've just made to idle correctly. So we're gonna grab some lunch, come back and make it do more than just idle.
Good deal. Oh, it sounds healthy. Whew. All right, so the truck is finally running the way it's supposed to. Ryan built a file from the ground up and now has the truck just sounding great. He's got launch control set up on it. We have our CSP6 that we ran a wire from the ECM. Then we have it going to actually our brake switch. So when we're on the brakes, we have a rev limiter set for like 20 psi boost. Actually, it goes by RPM, but so that way we are actually ready for the track. So we got all the fluids checked, the trans fluids checked, the oil's checked. We topped off the radiator, all that stuff's checked. We got our rear tires filled with 40 psi of air because tomorrow we actually take the truck over and we're going to dyno the truck, get everything just completely dialed in. The truck's running amazing. It sounds great. I'm just so excited. We got so much accomplished today. Truck's running right. We got our two-step set up. It's just floored. So wait for the next one. We're going to have this thing on the dyno, see what she puts down, and get everything just and then hopefully if the weather holds out, maybe we'll actually get to run this pig down the track. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're as excited as I am, because I am just blown away. And yeah, I can't wait to get this thing going down the track. So well, I can't wait to dyno it either. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like the video, subscribe down below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Get out in your garage, get the wrenching on your truck. All right, so guys, there's a couple things I want to qualify on the video. So I know the video ended up being just a lot of idling of the truck. I'm here editing it on Aluska Island. I guess that's how you say it. But anyway, we're here on vacation. We're here to dial the truck in, kind of getting a bunch of stuff done at one time. But I know the video is a lot of idling of the truck, starts and whatnot, but that's kind of what we had to do. So I know there wasn't a ton of commentary or anything like that, but basically today the video was secondary. The main point of today was get the truck running right. So the truck went from running like a 12 valve basically to running very well, idling correctly. We brought it up on boost, all that kind of stuff. So I wasn't going to stuff the camera in Ryan's face like every chance I got, like, what little change did you make now? What did you do here? You know, no, just a little, here's what we're doing, and that's it. Like, the main point of today was to get this truck running right. I've waited for, I don't know, a year and a half now to get this thing, to hear what I heard today. And let me tell you, I'm excited. This thing, it's going to scare the crap out of me. I know that. But today was all about getting the truck dialed in, getting the nitrous dialed in, everything like that. Also knowledge, trying to listen what Ryan had to say and try and take it in and absorb as much as I could. I know I'm not going to remember it all, but just trying to learn about what we are doing, because we have kind of skipped a bunch of levels that everybody else doesn't. So we skipped the whole 12, 14, 16, 1800 horse shit. You know, we just skipped all that. Now we're going for 2000 horsepower. Yeah, I skipped a lot of steps that other people don't, so I got to catch up. You know, there's that curve, and I got to get ahead of it and learn. So today was all about getting the truck dialed in, which we did, and learning. So the video was secondary, so that's why it's a lot of clips of the truck idling. I think we flashed the truck at a minimum 20 times. You know, he'd flash it, we'd let it run, he'd, you know, get a log, look at the log, go from there. And it was just, we needed that hands-on approach because we were flashing it so much. He had to hear how it ran, how, you know, just how it was reacting. So the only little issue we had, which I was very happy about, that we only had one little issue with our whole setup we've built over this last 2 years. One little port on one nitrous solenoid was leaking when we were done, you know, bringing the thing up on boost at one time. That was it. Everything else just seemed right. So we're doing a good job. We've done a good job, I should say. And I'm very happy with the results. We have dyno, and hopefully, if the weather holds out, maybe some track time coming. But yeah, like I said, this video was secondary. What was important was trying to learn and to get the truck dialed in. And I'm very happy with how the truck is. Ryan brought that thing up on boost, and I think he said it was like 3 seconds till it was up on full boost at our rev limiter. You know, we got our two-step in there, and yeah, that's kind of a little bonus. It's not something I forgot all about, and yeah, I'm very excited with today's progress. We got a lot done, and the thing just sounds killer. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're excited about what's to come. We're gonna get that thing down the track here shortly, and I'm so excited yet nervous. It's just So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like the video, subscribe down below. Catch you guys in the next one. Get out in your garage, get the wrench on your truck.